Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're creating colorful and fun rainbow whipped cream. It's light, fluffy, and perfect for adding a pop of color to any dessert. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup heavy whipping cream, chilled. 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup strawberries, chopped. 1/2 cup mandarin oranges, segmented. 1/2 cup pineapple chunks. 1/2 cup kiwi, chopped. 1/2 cup blueberries. 1/2 cup purple grapes, halved. Directions: in a large mixing bowl, add the chilled heavy whipping cream. Whip on medium-high speed until it begins to thicken. Add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract, then continue whipping until soft peaks form. Set aside. Prepare the fruit by washing and chopping as needed. In clear Parfait glasses or jars, start layering with a spoonful of whipped cream at the bottom. Add a layer of strawberries, followed by more whipped cream. Continue layering with each fruit in rainbow order: strawberries, oranges, pineapple, kiwi, blueberries, and grapes, adding a dollop of whipped cream between each layer. Finish with a swirl of whipped cream on top and a few extra pieces of fruit for garnish. Serve immediately or chill until ready to serve. Prep time: 20 minutes. Total time: 20 minutes. kcal: 150 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 4 parfaits. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.